Now, as some of you might already be aware, there's more to Facebook, much more than just posting ads or listings to your business page. It's what's called the Facebook's Ad Manager. Hello, Mario Salvi here. Let me ask you a question. What if you could ramp up your lead generation for around 5 to 10 cents a lead and create a steady flow of targeted prospective buyer leads every day? What if you could totally eliminate costly direct mailing, cold calling, door knocking, and running expensive ads? How much of a difference would it make in your business if you could create an ad in Facebook similar to this one and have the opportunity to build relationships with people in your local area that are raising their hand by giving you their contact information and letting you know they're considering purchasing a home, of which some may even have a current home to sell? You can learn exactly what to do and how to do it by leveraging the power of Facebook. By utilizing and leveraging the Facebook Ads Manager, you can build a list of prospective buyers, prospective sellers very quickly and inexpensively in comparison to the traditional and guerrilla marketing methods you've been taught. Let's face it, if you're not utilizing social media to its fullest to grow your real estate business, you are missing out on a tremendous opportunity. Looks confusing? Well, it's actually not. You can have your ad up and running within a day or two and begin making contact with buyers and sellers and building your lists. You can choose your daily budget. You can choose how long your ads will run for. You can turn your ads on and off. With the right guidance, you can master Facebook and change the course of your business. So when is now going to be the time that you start shifting the money that you're already spending into ultra targeted campaigns that will build your buyers and sellers lists at a much faster pace and grow your business to where you want it to be? So please participate in the group, like, comment, and share with your friends, family, and associates, as well as telling us about any experiences that you've had in your marketing efforts. Whether good or bad, we'd love to hear about them. We're here to help.